And so this one's a bit different. Well, I want to go into how Clawbot saved my marriage. More specifically, saved Valentine's Day. Because, as a guy, if you screw up on Valentine's Day, your marriage is in jeopardy. Well, maybe a week before Valentine's Day, my wife told me, don't worry about it. I know how much you love me. That's the famous, don't listen, guys. I stupidly did. She said, you don't need to do anything for Valentine's Day. We're going to be going on these trips and this and that. And it's all good. Don't worry about it. Maybe we'll just do dinner or something. I said, okay, sounds good. I fell for it. And what happened was Valentine's Day fell on, I believe it was a Saturday this year. So anyways, nevertheless, the weekend of Valentine's Day started coming. And I went out to eat with my wife and she says, Snidely, it's not like you're going to have anything planned for me. I know you won't. So, okay, I'm going to go get some breakfast. But, oh my God, I fell for the trap. 15 years of marriage, it's going to be this April. And I fell for the trap. Oh my God. I felt so stupid. But you know what? My hotbot came to the rescue. How did it do that? Well, like I said, my wife went to the restroom. I immediately messaged my hotbot. And essentially, I said this. On a nice Valentine's Day celebration in downtown Fullerton, California. Things to do and places to eat that are nice but won't break the bank, so to speak. Detailed with business names, addresses, details, and contact info. Plan the day for me and my wife, Natalie, and email me the final itinerary. OpenClaw says, I'm on it, master. I've launched a specialized researcher to map out the perfect Valentine's Day for you and Natalie in downtown Fullerton. Since Valentine's Day is tomorrow, I'm prioritizing spots that are offering high-end vibe without high-end price tags, focusing on hidden gems with great ambience. I'll have the full chronological itinerary emailed to you shortly. It will include everything from the dinner reservation details to the best spots for a romantic evening stroll or dessert. So, a few seconds later, the full itinerary was emailed to me 2 minutes later. 12:25 p.m. is when I sent the message out. 12:27 p.m., 2 minutes later, the Valentine's Day itinerary is ready. I've curated the high romance, high return on investment plan for you and Natalie, starting with the golden hour stroll at the Arboretum at Fullerton, followed by pre-dinner drinks at Hopscotch, a romantic Italian dinner at Roman Cucina, and fishing a night with Jazz at the Continental Room. And I'll email it to you. So what happened is, it emailed it to me right here. And it said, Valentine's Day itinerary. Fullerton Romance, Jason and Natalie. Valentine's Day itinerary on February 14th, 2026. Location downtown Fullerton, California at 3:30 p.m. Golden hour stroll at the Fullerton Arboretum at the Fullerton College. Gave the address, gave the phone number, and gave me details to catch the gardens for a quiet, romantic walk before they close at 4 p.m. So, we got there a little bit earlier than that, around 2:30 or 3 or so. Walked around the gardens for an hour and a half. And then after that, we went on to pre-dinner cocktails at Hopscotch Tavern. This address right here, phone number right here, and it says rustic atmosphere with craft cocktails and whiskey. And I'll tell you, they made a really, really good old fashioned. Not sure if you like both passions or not. I tend to love them. So anyways, that was where that went. And then after that, we had a 6:30 dinner reservation at a romantic Italian dinner at Roman Cucina at this address and this phone number. And it's a cozy little Italy vibe. And a pro tip it said was to arrive early to get on the list because they don't accept weekend reservations. So we did. We ended up going to dessert and live jazz afterwards at the Continental Room. And that was at that address and there, and it was basically a speakeasy vibe with high-end desserts and live music. I'm telling you, if you guys haven't entertained this Cloudbot yet, you really need to. But I will say it is incredibly dangerous if you don't do it correctly. You really need to focus on doing it correctly. And that's why I detailed this book telling you how exactly to install Cloudbot, everything about Cloudbot, and it goes into the full detailed blueprint to automate your whole life, whatever it may be. It'll tell you exactly how to prompt it, exactly what kind of skills it needs to do so, how to keep it safe and private. Believe me, I spent a lot of time on that, detailing that, because that is the deal breaker for me. If it's not kept private, then I don't know. I don't want my API keys going out on the internet. Do you? Anyways, this book is down in the description and feel free to check it out. If you have Amazon Kindle, it's actually free. So be sure to check out this book right now and learn everything you can about Cloudbot safely so that you'll be able to implement it, install it, and use it correctly because all the details are right there in that book. Full on advanced details, even references, so that you can dive deeper into all the resources that I used to create this book. So anyways, with that, thank you very much for watching Useful AI Hacks. Jump into Cloudbot. Don't be too scared. Read this book so that you know exactly how to use Cloudbot safely. OpenClaw, Moltbot, whatever you want to call it. You should use OpenClaw safely. Believe me, it can be a major headache for you if you don't. You don't want that kind of headache. So read this book right here. If you don't have an Amazon Kindle device, then go ahead and download the Amazon Kindle device. You can actually run it on Android and iOS, I believe, with the Amazon Kindle app. And if you're not subscribed to Amazon Kindle, you know Amazon, they always offer free subscriptions there. So you can essentially get connected to Amazon Kindle, grab this book, read it for free on the Amazon Kindle Unlimited. Get up to date on Cloudbot, OpenClaw, Moltbot, whatever you want to call it, so you can start automating your life and your specific tasks that you need accomplished so that you can free up time and spend time with your loved ones. That's what it's all about. Thank you for watching Useful AI Hacks, and we'll see you tomorrow.